upang buksan ang isipan.
Sa science o agham, tuklasin natin ang siyensya.
Buksan ang pag-iisip.
Hey, Bea, where are you? I'm already here at Ezekiel Bea Adaya. I'm in front of the brown gate at the junior high school building.
I don't know what the place is. Can you describe it to me? Okay. I got it. See you. Bye.
Pao?
Wow. Oh, guys, you're here.
Hey, Pao.
Come. I'm glad you're here. Because we're here, are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Today we are going to discuss about one of the different patterns of development, which is description. But before that, so what is patterns of development?
Patterns of development are structures writers used to organize their ideas.
And it is used to arrange the ideas to achieve the writer's purpose in writing the text.
Now we know what is patterns of development. Oh, someone knocking the door.
Who's that?
I don't know, Pao. Aside from us, is there someone who's going to do it?
Oh, I want you to guess. Guess who? He is black. Black skin, curly hair, and short in height. Guess who is he? And he is one of our classmates. Guess who?
Aron Tabios!
You got it. Aron Tabios is here. So open the door. Hi Aron, coming. Hello. So we're complete. So hello, we are here in Eskwela and I am Paulo Bacerdo. And now let us know what is a description. A description is an arrangement of properties, qualities, features that the authors must pick, choose, or select. But the art lies in order for their list, visually, audibly, conceptually, and consequently, in order for their interaction and the social standing of everyone. Is a useful way of writing a text that entertains because of its nature of appealing to the reader's senses. Description is the pattern of development that presents a word picture of a thing, a person, a situation, or a series of events. It is one of four rhetorical modes, also known as modes of discourse, along with exposition, argumentation, and narration. Each of the rhetorical modes is present in a variety of forms and each has its own purpose and convention. The act of description may be related to that of definition. Description is also the fiction writing mode for transmitting a mental image of the particulars of a story. Hearing, sight, touch, smell, and taste. There are two kinds of description. First is artistic. Artistic is also called as suggestive, evocative, or literary description. It tries to describe what a writer felt as well as what his or her impression about a particular thing. The second is informative, also called as scientific and technical description, usually done with photographic accuracy for the purpose of identification. Serves like the technical aspects of description, wherein the writer tries to describe the physical appearance of a particular thing.
Objective description. It looks into factual and scientific characteristic of what is being described as objectively as possible. It focuses on facts, statistics, and observable details. The acer bar bottom is a small to medium size. Deciduous tree usually ranging from 15 to 25 meters tall when mature. Its bark is light gray and smooth,
on younger trees, and it becomes ridged and furrowed with age. UNAIDS official report that the drought has exacerbated the famine. Farms and cattle ranches have failed. Food production has virtually ceased. The death rate in refugee camps has increased 20% to 150% per day. There was a long line of traffic on 332 today, probably 4 miles long, and it took me 45 minutes to get from RT1 to 195.
Subjective description. A sort of description that the author would normally use to paint a picture or how he sees a character, or how he wants the reader to see a character. Also used in literary discourse when there is stereotype image that can be attributed to a person, place, or event, based on personal opinions, interpretations, and point of views.
Examples of subjective description. The once fertile valley is now a dusty moonscape of dry river beds, broken earth and skeletons. Hundreds of men and women die of thirst, hunger, and in disease, the heat and dust of refugee camps. My mother had hair so dark that it looked like a waterfall of ink. She always kept it in a braid that fell to her slim waist, and always ties with plain black band. The braid black slung over her shoulder, the plaits shining like scales. There was an endless line of traffic on RT 332 today. The road was clogged for 4 claustrophobic miles. I had to inch my way for 45 minutes before I got to 195.
Bawat bata may tanong,
Ba't ganito? Ba't ganon?
haya
Characteristic of description. It appeals to reader's senses. It has a real focus and sense of purpose. Present details in a logical order and uses precise words.